You know, in the world of electronics, the line between a perfect product and a catastrophic failure can be as thin as a single misplaced drop of solder paste. It's that precise. So today, we're diving into the machine that was built to conquer that exact challenge, the Southern Machinery SP-1008. Let's see how it manages to deliver both surgical precision and, just incredible speed.
Think about it. With every new phone or gadget that comes out, all the components inside just keep getting smaller and more crammed together. Well, this whole miniaturization thing, it's a massive challenge for manufacturers. On a production line, precision isn't just a nice to have, it's literally everything. One tiny slip-up and the whole circuit board is a write-off.
So this really is the multi-million-dollar question, isn't it? The one every factory manager is wrestling with. How do you possibly print perfectly on the very first board, and the 1,000th board, and the 10,000th board without a single error? And more importantly, how do you do it fast enough to keep the whole production line humming?
Well, the answer to that tricky balancing act between speed and absolute quality is found in a machine that's been engineered for one thing above all else: precision. And that machine is the SP-1008.
And here it is, the SP-1018. The best way to think about this machine is as the heart of the entire production line. Seriously, if it doesn't do its job perfectly, every single machine that comes after it is basically being set up to fail. Its whole design is laser-focused on three things: consistency, reliability, and just absolute unwavering precision.
Okay, so how does it actually deliver on that big promise? What's really going on under the hood? Let's peel back the layers and break down the key systems that make up its, anatomy of performance.
Everything, and I mean everything, starts with the machine's eyes and its brain. And that's this high-precision CCD vision system. This is what lets it see and align the stencil over the circuit board with an accuracy that's down to the micron level. We're talking about fractions of the width of a single human hair. It's just incredible.
Right here, you can see that vision system in action. What it's doing is scanning the board for these tiny little reference points. They're called fiducial marks. The machine uses those marks to make microscopic adjustments to the gantry, guaranteeing the alignment is absolutely perfect before a single drop of paste is applied. It's like a digital double check that just stops errors before they can even happen.
But look, perfect alignment is really only half the battle. If that stencil isn't perfectly clean, any leftover solder paste can cause all sorts of defects, things like bridges and shorts. And that's exactly why the SP-1008 has a fully automated system designed to completely eliminate that risk.
And we're not talking about just a simple wipe down. No way. This is a really sophisticated multi-stage process that uses dry cleaning, wet cleaning, and even vacuum methods. But the real power here? It's all programmable. You can set up the perfect cleaning sequence for any type of solder paste or any stencil design, which gives you complete control over the quality of every single print.
Now, having impressive features is one thing, but let's be real. In a high-volume production environment, uptime is everything. A machine that's down is a machine that's losing money. So that's why we need to talk about how this machine is engineered for just rock-solid reliability.
And that rock-solid reliability? It starts right here, in the environment where it's built. The machine is assembled in what's called a 5S workshop. That's a whole methodology focused on sorting, setting in order, shining, standardizing, and sustaining. It's a philosophy, really, that ensures every single component is put together with discipline and precision, right from the ground up.
And you can see this commitment to quality everywhere you look. I mean, from the perfectly organized internal wiring to the warehouse that's just stocked with premium parts, the message is crystal clear. This machine isn't built to hit a price point. It's built to hit a standard of excellence.
This really brings us to a core manufacturing principle that just defines the SP-1008. It's this idea that quality is built in, not inspected on. What that means is you can't just check for mistakes at the end of the line. You have to use the right parts and the right processes from the very beginning to prevent those mistakes from ever happening in the first place.
So for example, the SP-1008 uses top-tier components known throughout the industry, like these Kuroda ball screws that are made in Japan. When you use parts that have a long-standing reputation for precision and durability, well, that's how you build a machine that you can truly rely on for years and years of non-stop production.
All right, so we've seen the features and we've talked about the philosophy. Now let's get to the good stuff. Let's see how this all translates into hard data. What are the performance specs that really matter on the factory floor?
First up, repeat position accuracy. We're talking plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Now, to put that into perspective for you, that's about 1/7 the thickness of a human hair. That is just an incredible level of consistency, board after board after board.
And what about speed? The machine's core cycle time, that's getting the board in, locking it down, and getting it perfectly aligned, is under 9 seconds. That amazing speed is the key to getting maximum throughput on your line. It's what keeps everything moving.
Taking a look at the other key specs, we see a printing accuracy of plus or minus 0.025 millimeters, and the flexibility to handle a pretty wide range of board sizes. And hey, notice the machine's weight, about 1,000 kilograms. That's not just bulk, okay? That's a heavy, stable platform that's been designed to eliminate vibration and maintain that crucial precision, even when it's running at full tilt.
You know, at the end of the day, choosing a machine like this isn't just a purchase. It's really an investment in your entire production capability. And that means you need more than just a piece of equipment. What you really need is a reliable partner.
So, if you want to learn more, Southern Machinery has a bunch of ways to get in touch. You can dive deeper on their website, you can connect with them on Facebook and LinkedIn, or you could even schedule a visit to see the machines being built in their Shenzhen factory. And of course, for any direct questions, their email is right there.
So, when your production line is demanding that microscopic level of precision, but you absolutely cannot sacrifice maximum throughput, the engineering, the quality, and the performance of the SP-1008, well, it provides a very definitive answer.